You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is f equals negative 89/18. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 15 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the f. Divide both sides by negative 18. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is f equals negative 89/18.